Oh, folks, do we have a treat for you today. My friends, for the first time, pretty much in Bitcoin's history that I can recall, we have had not one, but two 100% accurate confirmations for bullish price action to follow. If you've been with this, if this is not your first time at the channel, obviously we had the weekly big boy BitBoy green dot on Bitcoin. It's happened 6 times in the past 10 years. Every single time was a bottom. Sometimes it lasted a month. Price always went up and to the right every single time. Sometimes it was the bottom of the bull run, beginning of the bull run. But folks, we're not here to talk about that today. We're not here to talk about the past. We're here to talk about the now. And even though we were there first and we got to eat, everyone else, the public, the peons, the plebeians, might just have their day. And that is the 7-day confirmation. Now, what has happened previously when 7 candles confirm in a row, 7 standard daily candles in a row confirm with Bitcoin? Well, I have a treat for you. I have a treat for you. We're also going to talk about oil and gold and everything going on too. But Exhibit A, Exhibit 1. Last time there were 7 daily green confirmed candles with Bitcoin was in April 2025 through May 1st. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. What happened after that? We all remember April Fool's Day last year. Oh boy, oh boy, oh. Need I say less? Need I say more? Need I say less? Need I say more? Yes, sir. Keep it going, keep it going. Need I say less? Need I say more? This is a daily candle. Now, the time before that, October 2023, off of ETF, more ETF. If there's a 7-day candle in the past, there was some ETF stuff involved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. October 2023. Who remembers that time? What happened after that? Oh boy. Oh golly. Oh guy. Oh you. Oh, is she gonna hang on? Oh, is she gonna do it? Oh, that's right. Boy, that was damn good time. Damn good time. Oh. What about the time before that? It was 2 years. July 2021. Who remembers July 2021 and what that was about? I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was China. The Chinese crypto ban. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we thought was going to be bear, China came out, boom, banned crypto and Bitcoin for the 20th time. Let's see what happened next. Maybe this one's failed. Oh my! Oh my God! Look at her go! Look at her go! Look at her go! Does the same kind of thing? See how it just like floats? Oh, and then it went to shit. Oh my God! It went to all-time lows after that. Oh my God! Beautiful. Bursted from 29,000 to 40,000 in a short amount of time. It was just kept going. It kept going. Was that it? What's this? January 2021. December. It was December. End of December. Going into January. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily closed candles, standard candles. What happened this time? Let's find out. Holy shit. Holy. Whoa. Oh, there she goes. And there she goes. Folks. Listen here, folks. You know, it could be a great couple weeks. You know, we don't know if this is the bottom for the next cycle. You know, we can you know dive into it. The point is in the immediate short term, okay, Crypto is going to be having sausages for veins for the next couple of weeks coming out of his eye sockets, okay? So everyone should be able to get a piece of this. Now, that doesn't mean it's not going to be violent and whiplashy in between. In fact, these are the times where people get wrecked even more. You're buying these huge pumps. It comes down. It's going to be volatile. It's going to be whiplash. It already is. Look what's going on right now. It's already violent. This is pure survival. This is the 1 minute time frame. Let's go to the 10-minute time frame. Okay? Look at these candles. This is stone cold pure survival. And it's Sunday going into Monday. We have a lot of political crap coming in. Point is, 7-day green candles plus the MarketCipher weekly big white green dot, which we got a week before everybody else. Okay? MarketCipher is the leading indication package, leading shit. No questions about it. We've been around for almost a decade now. But there's still room for everybody else. Now, again, it's going to be volatile and whiplash. Next, that's about all we need here on crypto. I was walking my dog yesterday, and the neighbor said, "Oh, I'm buying Chevron. I'm buying oil." Oh, shit. Now, some of you, if you've been in this channel, you know. If you're new here, you don't. We trade options here. We got in on USOs in January for $3 per contract. Those contracts went up to $37 last week. Sold them. We got out. It's been about 2 weeks since oil's been in the news. Here. I can show you better than I can tell you. All-time highs for dumb money retail oil inflows, plebeians and peons calling into their saying, oil, market orders. Oil is going to get wrecked this week. All these people who they're going to get cooked. Okay, you're not supposed to buy the news. You're supposed to sell into it. It's supposed to hurt when you sell. When I sold those contracts at $27, I was like, ooh, it hurt a little bit. But then we sold the top for the rest of them. Oil's going to get cracked down. They're releasing a bunch of oil. Trump's going to be talking. So, which means actually, the S&P should be a good week for stocks. Stocks should be doing good. Crypto should be doing good for the next couple weeks. Once we get into summertime, we'll see. Might be a different story. But who cares about then? We're just talking about now. Gold, metals might be having a little pullback here. That's okay. Who cares about all that? We have 7 days. 7 days. Okay. Yeah, gold had a little money flow come to the downside. Might be taking a little dip. 7 days. Now, where could it go in the future? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about the future. Okay. Okay, where are we here? Where are we? Are we still on replay here? Okay, this is 2025. It's 2026, right? This is the wrong year, right? Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. We have the 1.0 spider lines. These are the original from 2017. We've finally been bursting out of these seams right here. And we have mega confluence at this 72 spider line. And you're going to see this 82, 83 with version 1.0 and 2.0. This is 1.0 spider line. Let's go to 2.0. 2.0. 83. We have the McCluskey cluster. We're punching into the McCluskey cluster. Take a look at the daily. Money flow hasn't even started curving up yet. RSI's obviously bullish. Momentum. The gates are open. Go to the 12 hour. Look at that money flow, baby. Money flow curving. A little inward curvature, but that's okay. Coming up into the green. RSI's nice and tight. Nice and green. Healthy. Very healthy. Very healthy. And if we squish the lower time frames, you know, you see it right there. You see it right there. But again, everyone is able to get a piece of this. MarketCipher or any other indicator out there or not. 7 daily close candles. So if there was a time to get back in the action, if you don't have MarketCipher, if you are a broke dick and tired of getting screwed by Binance or whoever on Chinese exchanges, BitFunnel, we're still running the buy one, get one in the description. In the description. And everybody else. I still trade with the Chinese too. I trade with both. Keep your head on tight. Bitcoin's been it's been obeying Fibonacci's. It's been obeying support and resistances. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep your head on tight. It ain't going anywhere. The market's going to be here tomorrow. Sell your oil, damn it.